All right, guys, it's day 2 of Trail Jam 2025. Today we're at the Mesabi Mountain Trail. It's a separate trail, different from the Iron Range off-road park. It's a historic trail up here in northern Minnesota. So we've got my Grand Cherokee 35s, long arms, JK axle swap. And we've also got a familiar face. We got Patrick here in his JK.
Hey guys.
You remember him from previous videos. He used to star in all those. Just like Travis, he's moved on to a different job, and we are happy for him. But today he's wheeling with us. So what do we know about Mesabi Mountain Trail? Have you done it before?
Not through its entirety. I know it's a down and back. What portions I have seen, a lot of technical, a lot of challenge. But I'm really looking forward to spending the day out here and seeing as much of it as I can this time.
And we got your JK here.
Yep.
We got 37s, long arms, right?
Yep. Rocklink Pro.
And I believe lockers front and rear.
Correct.
So you're well equipped for this trail. And we got a new friend back here. We just met him this morning. This is Brandon's JK. Very well equipped. Looks like at least 37s, if not bigger. So it's going to be a fun trail. And then we also have Alex with us. He broke his Jeep yesterday, and he'll be riding along with Patrick. The Mesabi Mountain Trail was recently added to the Jeep Badge of Honor program in February of 2025. The trail certainly earns its Badge of Honor, offering nearly non-stop technical rock crawling. The MMT was opened in 2011 thanks to the efforts of the Northern Minnesota Jeepers Club. As an out and back trail, its layout allows for multiple loops and alternate routes to test your skill and your nerve. This is a high difficulty trail built for experienced drivers and capable vehicles. The terrain includes consistent rock obstacles, ledges, and tight tree-lined sections that demand strong driver focus and technical precision. While it's not an all-out buggy trail, it is well beyond what most stock rigs can handle. A minimum of 35-inch tires, front and rear lockers, and a winch are strongly recommended. Time for a new high clearance rear bumper though. So I popped the tire off the wheel. I went a little too low on the air pressure without bead locks, but I needed all the traction I could get out here because it's so muddy and wet. Luckily I got good friends like Patrick, he's got his high lift.
What's up?
With the lift mate on there to hook on the wheel. Hopefully we can just get it off the ground, put some more air in it, pop it back on the wheel. All right, we got it off the ground, put some air in it, feed pop back on. Then I got my iron rock compressor, airing it back up. It feels a lot sketchier than it looks. Go that way, passenger a little bit. Yep. It's nice and straight now. We go straighten out now. this is the end of the trail. One of the optional lines is right up there. And another one is this giant wall right here. All right, since we're at the end, we're gonna loop around and then we gotta go back the same way we came in.
We made it to the finish line.
Alexa.
Thanks.
All right, we're back at the trailhead for the Mesabi Mountain Trail. We're gonna air up, hook up sway bars, then we're gonna head back to camp because tonight is the raffle and the free dinner. So you should join us next year for Trail Jam 2026.